Today's adventure brings us to the U.S. border. No, I didn't bring my passport. We are only waving at the U.S. and continuing on.
Remax mine it is?
Sure.
Yeah, let's take a gander.
Get on the Suzuki. Not yet, we'll do it a little later. For a tiny little group, we're just going to be going along the Ponderay River today. Ponderay is not pronounced the way it's spelled, so don't try to do it phonetically, you'll never figure it out. But we're going to cruise along here. It's one of the few things that's nice and open early season, and we may visit a mine somewhere along the way.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down there, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. Reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
I guess it's still winter.
Yeah, you know, every year it gets worse. Global warming, hey?
Honestly, it doesn't seem like much has melted in 4 weeks here.
No. Alright, well I might need to peel some stuff off.
Really? Yeah, stay left. Apparently it goes under the river.
Under the river?
Yeah.
3,000 feet deep.
It's insane.
I want to go there on the side. I've never done it.
And that's why I brought the drone in.
Don't lose it.
Pumping.
It's almost like a man-made glacier there.
Yeah.
I'm going underground. Say your loving comes around, going underground, 'cause your love is not around anymore. Going underground.
Well, that's unfortunate, Craig. Well, if we can get to it. Losing my drone in a mine that they say goes down for a kilometer. We dropped everything and it amazingly landed right on the edge of the mine. We're talking within like 6 6 inches of the upper lip. I happened to be exactly the right spot. It caught a weird draft. It took the controls away from me. I could not control it anymore. Off it went and landed exactly in the only spot it could have landed and retrieve it. So that was all kinds of panic attack inducing awesomeness. But we officially are still drone. Mine doesn't have those cables coming out of the top of it like this.
Modern motorcycles are pre-manufactured plants.
Oh my god, it's a freaking couch!
Yeah, I know!
Oh my
I
god!
think I ride it so far.
My feet are on the ground!
Yeah, luxury.
That's bizarre! That ain't right. Alright, so out of there, funny stole my bike. And when I say stole my bike, I mean he maybe take his DR out. He's been threatening for 2 years to make me ride this bike. This is probably one of the heaviest modified DRs I've ever seen. This seat is the most comfortable thing I've ever sat on. It's literally like a couch. Woo-wee. Yeah, that's a different experience. My butt will never be the same. So that's the fantastic, beautiful, stunning Ponderay River that we get to follow along now for the next hour or so. It's a pretty spectacular view. Oh man, we got traffic. All right. This is where Miss Velocity and I camped one time. It is indeed. It is a good experience riding more than one bike, considering I've ridden very few bikes in my day. I just have a couple that I rode lots. Well,
We'll talk in a minute. Is my happy place. I can sit back, enjoy the view. I'm usually the guy with the map and the tools. And that, my friends, is how easy it is to lose a license plate. It's also a good excuse to get a new one. It isn't quite as beat up, but let's get that back to the page. Let's play a game. Everybody check.
Oh, that would be
Everybody check. Let's play a game.
fine.
Yeah, I double zap. Mine is riveted to a piece of 1/8-inch aluminum.
Zip ties for the win. I keep them on the frame, quick draw style.
Thank you.
Huh, I've only, mine's actually just wedged in there.
It's been raining for days now, been running like a child. Can't feel the cold. Well, I'm lost here with you, lost in the woods. Lost as I should. I barely see the sky now, we're safe under the trees. You tell me about your secrets and I'm falling madly. You catch me right. I'll be alright. It's all that matters really. As long as you'll be as crazy. Shadows will guide us where we never been before. When so I act like no one knows me, while backing with my eyelids closed. Yeah, my fault, I think I like it out of the soul. When so I act like no one knows me, while backing with my eyelids.
Yeah, that's not so bad.
Nothing that I change about this moment forevermore.
All the different methods of turning bikes around. And away we go. Fantastic day overlooking the river.
So hopelessly hoping for you to pull me back somewhere I don't belong without goodbye. Made up my mind. It's all that matters really. As long as you stay crazy. Shadows will guide us where we've never been before. When so I act like no one knows me, while backing with my eyelids closed.
So often when people come down here, they just hop on the road and ride along and enjoy the view of the river, but there's a lot of these really neat little side chutes. Kind of get you some elevation and really drives home how nice it is here. And if you remember back in the beginning, how close we were to the border, by the, that's America right there on the other side of the river. So this section that's right here is technically still Canada, but you can't get there from here. It's a little sad to think that this might be one of my last rides on this 690 that I've had so many adventures with over the years. My new Gas 700 should be here in a matter of a week or so. Yeah, these unicorns are something special.